Hi, it's Spooky Ghost Fam, and welcome to the channel. My name is Ghosty, my pronouns are they, them, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my personal experience with Instagram, being a small alternative fashion creator on the platform, and how I've grown my Instagram back up to 1,000 after honestly getting discouraged, and then I started all over again and was able to grow it to 1,000 followers in just a little over a year. I'm literally started this April of last year, so that's literally a year and a couple months. I'm extremely proud of myself, and I can't wait to share my strategy and how I think what made me grow this fast and what really makes up a small creator brand and how you can follow your dreams, because anybody can do anything these days. But one of the main things I think about Instagram is it's an overall aesthetic app. You follow people because you like their aesthetic, you like their branding, you like how their feed looks. I always follow people, I don't know about you, but I'll go on their profile and look at their feed, and if it's really aesthetically pleasing, I'll follow. So that's something that I've really made my mission with my account, is to make everything scream, "Hello Ghosty," and it's all spooky cute, and you can open my page and be like, whoa, their vibe is so unique, they really stand out. They have like this whole cartoon with goth thing going on, but it's also bright and colorful and not like dark and dreary, and that's something that I've really, I could say, accomplished as a small creator. Is I really know who I am and who I want to be and how to build upon that. Like, I even have an art account. Its name is Creatively Ghosty. Everything fits under a certain brand, and it's all very me. So my best advice would be learn how to put your personality in your work. You can look at me and then you see my vibes and you're like, wow, their whole just aura and personality all matches together, and that's so cool. And I've been learning how to make more posts sharing those personality traits and things more often, because what I've learned is people really like longer posts where you actually you tell them a story, you tell them how you're feeling, you tell them where you're at in life, and people follow me because I'm not where I want to be yet, but they see that each and every day I'm following these dreams and I'm working on that, and I feel like that's what makes me stand out as a creator. So I hope that this kind of gave you some inspiration for you to look at where you at in your life and use that. Now let's get into the technical side of things. So how much do you need to post in a day to actually be successful on Instagram? This might overwhelm some people, but I post 3 to 4 times a day, and I make that a mix of both just picture photos. I have like the outfit photos, and then I have the makeup photos. I separate those into 2 different categories. I have my reels category, which I will be talking about types of reels that do really good for fashion and makeup creators, so stay tuned. But I post 3 to 4 times a day. I start the morning out with a picture, and then I do an afternoon reel, picture, and then sometimes I double up pictures, but most of the time I do the back and the forth, because I also really like that variety, and it's kind of like a routine and a pattern that I've come to be really used to, and it actually makes your account perform super freaking well, because after people go see your reels and they're like, oh my gosh, they're dressed so cool, they'll go on your profile and be like, ooh, they have really cool pics of all the outfits and everything. So some good alternative fashion hashtags that I personally use that I found that perform really well for being a smaller account and growing it up. 1, if you're a small cosplayer, put that small cosplayer. Don't be ashamed that your account is small. There is so much wonderful community that you build up when you have a small account. I have so many friends where we literally have grown our accounts together. They might be a little bit further along than me, or I might be a little bit further along than them, but it's all about like supporting each other. We always have these brainstorm sessions where we're like, let's do this and let's do that, and we like all get hyped. I have some Halloween collabs coming up to where I definitely am feeling those vibes with my friend, and it's just so fun. Now I'm going to use that topic to go into how do collabs work. So I usually do collabs with my friends, and friends aren't that hard to find on the platform because when you start out really small, you're going to be connected to more small accounts, so you can definitely find people that are in your range even if you are just starting out. But for me, I usually pick like a theme for like the makeup and the outfit because that's what my account revolves around, is my style and my aesthetic. So I usually pick a theme. It could be a show, it can be a color palette, it could be an aesthetic, like I'll be like, ooh friends, let's do a Halloween core look, or we're all in my style. Or they could be like, ooh, I want you to try my style. Style swaps are really fun because then you get to try your friend's style and get out of your comfort zone. I did one of those this year actually, and it was so much fun. The reels that have performed well for me have been fashion reels where I just show my outfit of the day. They're really easy to do. You can just have fun with it. Just pick a song that like matches the vibes of your outfit and have fun dancing, have fun showing it off, have fun matching the aesthetics to the video. That's one of my favorite things to do. I'll probably do something from Hocus Pocus today because I don't know, I feel very, very, very witchy. And the other ones that perform very well for me anyway are me sharing little clips from my day. People love seeing just funny outtakes, funny moments where it's just like a core memory that performs well these days, because I feel like people just want to feel how they felt as kids again. That nostalgia that you get when you have like a really, really happy memory, it's like a recreation of that. Spooky ghosts enjoyed this video. I hope it was filled with lots and lots of good information for you to be able to follow your dreams of being a content creator. And I hope that I continue to grow on Instagram and I continue to grow this new YouTube channel. I'm just really excited to create and bring y'all along with me, and I definitely want to do more videos like this because this was honestly a confidence booster to talk about something that I'm actually really good at, and I've learned things and accomplished things, and I would never not share something with y'all. I like to help people, and I feel like everybody deserves an equal chance at following their dreams and doing what they want with their life, no matter how up in the clouds those dreams are. I've always been a big dreamer. So till next time, stay spooky.